Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A car dash cam, short for dashboard camera, is a compact, high-tech device mounted on a vehicle's dashboard or windshield to record real-time footage while driving. These cameras have become increasingly popular among drivers worldwide due to their ability to provide clear, unbiased evidence in case of accidents, disputes, or unexpected road incidents. Dash cams are equipped with advanced features such as wide-angle lenses, night vision, high-definition recording, and even GPS tracking. Beyond security, they offer peace of mind, aid in insurance claims, and can even capture memorable road trips. Whether you're a daily commuter, a ride-share driver, or a road trip enthusiast, a dash cam is an essential tool that enhances safety and accountability on the road. Number 1. A810 Car Dash Cam. The A810 Car Dash Cam is a high-performance and feature-rich driving companion designed to enhance your on-road safety and provide peace of mind during your journeys. Packed with advanced technology, it offers exceptional video quality, reliable recording features, and easy installation. The A810 Car Dash Cam is an excellent option for those looking for high-definition recording, advanced safety features, and ease of use. Whether you're concerned about capturing crucial details in case of an accident or simply want to keep an eye on your car while parked, this dash cam has you covered with its premium specs and functionalities. Its performance, combined with a user-friendly interface and versatile features, makes it a top choice for drivers who value security and convenience. Number 2. Bluavido Car Dash Cam. The front camera records at an impressive 1920 x 1080p resolution, providing clear and crisp footage with a 30 fps frame rate. This ensures that all important details, such as license plates and road signs, are captured with great clarity. The rear camera, with a 1280 x 720p resolution, complements the front camera by offering additional coverage of the rear view. The Bluavido Car Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize safety, reliability, and advanced features. Its high-resolution cameras, robust build quality, and smart functionalities such as GPS tracking, loop recording, and parking monitoring make it a strong contender in the dashcam market. Though it lacks a built-in screen, its integration with the Car Assist app compensates for this, providing easy access to footage and settings on your phone. Number 3. A510 Car Dash Cam. The A510 boasts a compact and sleek design, measuring 83 x 60.5 x 37.9 mm and weighing just 0.4 kg. Its portable size makes it unobtrusive on your windshield while providing excellent functionality. The device is built to operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for diverse climates. Its robust construction and quality materials ensure long-lasting durability. The A510 Car Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable, high-quality dash cam with advanced features. Its combination of performance, safety enhancements, and user-friendly design makes it a worthwhile investment for daily commutes or long road trips. Whether you're a casual driver or a ride-share operator, the A510 is a solid option for peace of mind on the road. Number 4. Aumpon Car Dash Cam. The Aumpon Car Dash Cam is a feature-packed car DVR designed to offer reliable performance and safety while driving. With a sleek hidden type assembly, this dash cam blends seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, making it a discreet yet effective tool for recording your journeys. The Aumpon Car Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich car DVR. Its combination of dual-lens recording, advanced safety features, and user-friendly design makes it a great investment for enhancing road safety and peace of mind. While it may not offer the highest frame rate, its efficient performance and robust functionality outweigh this minor limitation. Number 5. TiESFONG A7 Car Dash Cam. The TiESFONG A7 Car Dash Cam is a feature-rich and reliable device designed to enhance your driving experience and provide valuable video evidence in case of accidents or disputes. With its advanced features and solid build quality, it stands out as a strong contender in the car DVR market. The TiESFONG A7 is a premium car dash cam that combines exceptional video quality with a host of smart features. It is ideal for users seeking comprehensive coverage, reliable performance, and advanced security options. Whether you're navigating city traffic or embarking on a long road trip, the A7 is a dependable companion for capturing every moment on the road. Many thanks for watching this video.